So this first song actually is for my husband, because this is where the trip starts, is for him. He's going like this as I'm pulling out of the driveway. And this is a wonderful, yes, screw in the light bulb. And so this is a wonderful song by probably one of my favorite composers and favorite singer-songwriters, and that would be John Denver. It's by far the hardest thing I've ever done, to be so in love with you and so alone. Follow me where I go, what I do and who I know. Make it part of you to be a part of me. Follow me up and down, all the way and all around. Take my hand and say you'll follow me. It's long been on my mind, you know it's been a long, long time. I try to find a way that I could make you understand the way I feel about you, and just how much I need you to be there where I can talk to you when there's no one else around. Follow me where I go, what I do and who I know. Make it part of you to be a part of me. Follow me up and down, all the way and all around. Take my hand and say you'll follow me. See, I'd like to share my life with you and show you things I've seen, places that I'm going to, places where I've been, to have you there beside me and never be alone. And all the time that you're with me, we will be at home. Follow me where I go, what I do and who I know. Make it part of you to be a part of me. Follow me up and down, all the way and all around. Take my hand and say you'll follow me. Follow me up and down, all the way. Take my hand and say you'll follow me. Thank you very much.